Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice exfoliator at home. First, gather your ingredients: about 1/4 cup of uncooked rice, a tablespoon of honey, and a tablespoon of milk or water. This simple recipe uses natural elements to gently buff away dull skin. It's an affordable and effective way to achieve a radiant glow right from your kitchen. Get ready to transform your skincare routine with this easy DIY method. Now let's prepare the rice. Take about 1/4 cup of uncooked rice and rinse it well under cold water to remove any starches or impurities. After rinsing, soak the rice in clean water for approximately 30 minutes. This step helps soften the grains, making them easier to grind. Once soaked, drain the rice completely, ensuring no excess water remains. This prepares it perfectly for the next step. Next, we'll create the exfoliating paste. Transfer your drained, softened rice into a coffee grinder or a small food processor. Grind it until it reaches a fine, powdery consistency, similar to flour. Then, in a small bowl, combine this rice powder with 1 tablespoon of honey, known for its moisturizing properties. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of milk or water, mixing thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, spreadable paste. To use your homemade exfoliator, apply a small amount to clean, damp skin. Gently massage it in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes, avoiding the delicate eye area. The fine rice particles will help slough off dead skin cells. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat your skin dry. For best results, use this exfoliator 1 to 2 times per week. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Store any leftover exfoliator in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.